Yo you guys, so today we have this keyboard from Corsair, and as you can see it is a limited premium special edition. In case you don't see it, it has this golden metallic frame with some like glitter-ish effects as well, so that looks yeah, at least if you ask me, pretty fancy, and definitely is an eye catcher because it looks so differently. It is made solidly. We got some nice grips on the arrow keys as well, which is interesting to see because I don't think most people use arrow keys these days. Got 6 macro keys on the side. You can put anything on there that you want. Then on the top here is where we can control our IQ, where we have presets for RGB effects and all that. Um, that's nice to see. We all just downloaded 2 on the keyboard. There's more you can save on here, or you use the software in general, but there's like offline functions as well, so that's kind of nice to see. Um, and then also we got a braided cable, which is always nice to see. Also USB jack on the top, so that's great and lovely. Then we got our multi-function buttons for controlling music and all that. There's the volume, we've got a reel there, mute button and all that, and in general it's a mechanical keyboard. Let's check the bottom really quick. So we got like our feet here, we can adjust them, there's different heights to it. As you can see, there's like 2 options, or just putting it flat. And otherwise, not much going on here. I mean, there's anti-rubbery feet underneath, so we can push it around. Um, but let's actually check out the switches that we have. So we got gray switches underneath, and what's really nice and giving it the popping look is the transparent key surrounding, or securities, caps, whatever you want to call them. They're transparent, so the color is actually getting through there quite well, which is nice to see. Let's put that back on there. In general, it just has a really nice touch and feeling to it. Yep, feels good. There's a little noise of the clicking sound, but if you are a huge fan of the mechanical switch clicking, this might not be it for you, because it definitely is not as loud as other switches, but that's great switches in general. I mean, you probably know that. The colors looking good on this keyboard, definitely a plus, and the gold is giving it the extra fancy look, and is definitely the banger here. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. My name is Badger. I will see you around. Until the next time. Bye bye.